Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So I'm back with a new update for Aimogen, and this time I will be adding some visual waveform animation to the chatbot. So yeah, you heard this right. If the chatbot is speaking, now you will be able to add visual chatbot speaking waveform animation to it. So let me show you this in action. If you want to check Aimogen, it is linked in this video description, and this feature will be supported for OpenAI text-to-speech, 11 Labs text-to-speech, and Google text-to-speech. The browser text-to-speech is not supported for this feature. Also, the video streaming and showing part will also not be supported from DID and Azure text-to-video feature. So let me show you this in action with OpenAI text-to-speech. So to activate this feature, set in the text-to-speech video tab from the AI chatbot menu, enable chatbot text-to-speech video to OpenAI or 11 Labs or Google. And afterwards you will see that you can enable the enable visual waveform animation when the chatbot is speaking checkbox. So enable this, and you can also select a waveform animation color, but I leave this to you guys. So now let's save settings. Don't forget to save settings, and afterwards we can go and test this. So let's say hi to the chatbot. And after a longer waiting period, you will see this waveform visualization. Also, if the user replays the message,
hello, how are you doing today? Is there anything I can assist you with?
I need info about traffic. So you will see that processing times will be a bit longer because of this text also transformed to speech, and the speech will be transformed also to visualization. But because this will show, you will also see this visualization animation at the bottom of the chatbot. So go ahead, guys.
I'd be happy to provide information about traffic. If you're looking for current traffic conditions in your area, here are some suggestions. Traffic apps. Applications like Google Maps, Waze, and Apple Maps offer real-time traffic updates, including congestion levels, accidents, and road closures.
So yeah, so the user can pause the audio and replay it, restart it.
Local transportation websites. Many cities have official transportation websites that provide incident reports and construction updates.
Okay, so as you can see, this is the waveform real-time visualization. So this will be a real-time waveform visualization for the audio generated by the chatbot, and it will be shown here at the bottom of the chatbot. So let me know what you think about this new update. Aimogen is linked, as I said before, in this video's description. Let me know in the comments section if you have more ideas, suggestions for Aimogen. And yeah, as always, like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. Until next time, this is all. Bye bye.